Matt here with First America Products and another informational video for you. Today we're going to talk about the SnapEase Wall Sleeve. Now next to me I have a standard PTAC wall sleeve unit. It's awfully bulky. I want to get out of the way. Now here next to me is our SnapEase wall sleeve. With the standard size unit, you can fit about 9 to a pallet. 42 of these fit on a shipping pallet. Now the advantages of that are obviously more space and storage. When you ship it, there's more product and less air. And this is a lot easier to handle around the job site. The only reason the packaging is so much smaller is because it comes disassembled. But in a moment, I'd like to show you how easy it is to put together. The only tool we're going to need is a knife. Let's get started now. We'll start a timer. So the knife we'll use to open the box. And that's it. We'll place that to the side. Now, on top you'll find our weather barrier. This is to keep out any unpleasant weather during construction. Again, we'll place that to the side. Now here we take the bottom panel, place it on a nice flat surface. Next we'll take our side panel. These are individually keyed and labeled. Just snap them into place. Again here, and we'll snap it into place. Last, we'll take our top panel with 2 hands, line it up, and snap it into place. Now here you'll see we have our fully assembled SnapEase wall sleeve, and we've done it in well under a minute. I'm sure you could do better than I can. For more information, visit us at www.firstamericaproducts.com.